Imagine this. You start with just $500. No shortcuts, no hype, no secret indicators, just a plan. 2 trades per week, 1 win, 1 loss. You risk 5% per trade with a 1:3 risk-to-reward ratio. You win only half the time. And yet, that's enough to grow your account by 19.4% every 2 weeks. By the end of 1 year, your $500 becomes $41,000. By the end of 2 years, it's $3,476,279. By the end of 3 years, over $289,859,078. This is not magic, not luck, not hype. This is the power of discipline, patience, and compounding. And if you can learn to master your mind, you can make it real. Most traders don't see this because they fail before it begins. They chase fast money. They take too many trades. They give up when it's slow. They panic when they lose. They celebrate prematurely when they win. But the trader who truly understands compounding knows something different. The market doesn't reward speed. It rewards consistency, patience, and emotional control. Let's break it down. You risk 5% per trade, and each win gives you 15%. With a 50% win rate, your average growth every 2 weeks is 19.4%. 2 trades per week, 26 periods per year. That's enough to multiply your account many times over. $500 grows to $600, then $720, then $860, then $1,030. By 6 months, you're in 5 figures. By year 1, $41,000. By year 2, $3,476,279. By year 3, $289,859,078. The numbers don't lie. But it's not just math, it's psychology. Every professional trader knows this. The hardest part of trading isn't execution. It's patience. It's resisting the urge to chase every candle. It's resisting the urge to increase risk after a win. It's resisting the urge to quit after a loss. Most traders fail not because they don't have a good strategy, but because their mindset breaks before compounding starts working. They don't wait, they react. They trade emotionally. They doubt themselves too early. They give up at the point where growth is about to accelerate exponentially. Here's the truth: compounding is quiet. At first it seems slow, almost invisible. $500 to $600, $720, $860, small steps. But then the curve bends, and growth begins to accelerate beyond expectation. By year 2, the compounding curve becomes steep. By year 3, it becomes explosive. This is why psychology matters. Because your biggest enemy is not the market. It's your own mind. Fear will whisper, you might lose it all. Greed will shout, risk more, take bigger trades. The amateur reacts. The professional responds. Every time you stick to your plan, even when it's boring, you're not just compounding your account. You're compounding your discipline, your patience, and your self-control. Let's visualize the journey. You start at $500, $41,000 at year 1. Continue the same pace. Year 2 explodes to $3,476,279. Year 3, over $289,859,078. This journey isn't just about money. It's about mastering delayed gratification. It's about building mental strength. It's about staying disciplined when no one is watching. Trading is life in miniature. Your patience today determines your freedom tomorrow. Your control over fear and greed today determines your success in the future. Every small decision compounds, just like your account. Skip a bad trade, you protect growth. Follow your rules consistently, you strengthen discipline. Manage risk carefully, you protect your account from catastrophe. Stay patient through losses, you allow compounding to work. This is how small, disciplined actions create life-changing results. By year 2, the account reaches millions. The temptation to risk more will come. Greed will whisper, take bigger trades, faster growth. Fear will whisper, you might lose everything, stop now. The professional listens only to one voice, the voice of the plan. The one who obeys that voice achieves the impossible. Here, what most traders miss. Consistency compounds faster than raw talent. Discipline compounds faster than emotion. Time compounds faster than desire. And that's why $500 can grow to $289,859,078 in 3 years. Trading psychology isn't about suppressing emotion. It's about mastering it. Fear will still appear. Greed will still appear. Doubt will still appear. The difference is, you act logically, consistently, and patiently. You follow the system. You respect compounding. You understand that time is your ally, not your enemy. Now imagine the life this creates. $500 to $41,000, your first taste of independence. $3,476,279, a financial freedom, security, options. $289,859,078, unimaginable wealth, power, and peace of mind. And none of it comes from luck. It comes from consistently doing the right thing, trade after trade, week after week, month after month. This is the ultimate trading lesson. Risk small, win big. 1. 3. Reward to risk. Trade only high-quality setups. Be patient. Stick to the plan. Let compounding do the work. Master your psychology. Do these things consistently, and the numbers take care of themselves. $500 right arrow, $41,000 right arrow, $3,476,279 right arrow, $289,859,078. Not a dream. Not exaggeration. The product of discipline, patience, emotional control, and compounding. This is the story of the trader who doesn't chase luck. The trader who respects the process. The trader who grows not just money, but themselves. So when you open your next trade, remember, you're not trading for today's result. You're trading to become the trader you'll be in 3 years. $500 to $41,000 proves patience. $500 to $3.4 million proves belief. $500 to $289,859,078 proves mastery over yourself and over the market. Stay patient. Stay disciplined. And let compounding, the quiet force of time, do the heavy lifting. It's not luck, it's patience. It's discipline, it's the quiet power of compounding. Most traders will call this impossible. They want quick profits. They want the thrill of winning every trade. They jump from strategy to strategy. They quit the moment the gains aren't instant. But compounding is patient. It rewards those who are consistent, not those who are loud. Think about it. You risk 5% to make 15%, and you win only half the time. That averages 19.4% growth every 2 weeks. 2 trades per week, 52 weeks a year. The math is simple, the power is in time. $500 grows to $600, then $720, then $860, then $1,030. 6 months later, you're in 5 figures. By year 1, $41,000. Year 2, $3,476,279. Year 3, $289,859,078. Numbers alone aren't enough. The real challenge is mindset. Trading is a mirror for your emotions. Fear will try to stop you. Greed will try to push you. The amateur reacts. The professional responds. Every skipped bad trade is growth preserved. Every disciplined trade builds your confidence. Every period of patience strengthens your mental edge. Compounding isn't just financial, it's psychological. Your mind must learn the same lesson as your account. Slow, steady, and consistent beats impulsive and reckless. Imagine this. By year 2, your account has millions. The temptation to risk more will scream. The fear of loss will whisper. But the consistent trader keeps to the plan. They know the magic is not in winning every trade, but in trusting the system and letting time work. Here's the secret most traders never realize. The difference between failure and massive success isn't skill. It's discipline and patience. It's the ability to do the same right thing over and over, even when it feels boring. Small wins compound into life-changing results. $500 becomes $41,000. $3,476,279 by year 2. $289,859,078 by year 3. This journey isn't just about money. It's about personal growth. Every trade teaches you about fear, control, and delayed gratification. Every loss teaches humility. Every win teaches restraint. And every bi-weekly growth period teaches trust in the process. By the time you reach 7 figures, your mindset has evolved. You don't celebrate wins prematurely. You don't panic after losses. You see the market as data, not drama. Your focus is on consistency, not excitement. That's what transforms a small account into a fortune. The market doesn't reward impulsive traders. It doesn't reward emotion. It rewards patience, discipline, and time. 2 trades a week, a 1-3 risk reward, and 50% wins. That's all you need to turn $500 into hundreds of millions. By year 3, over $289,859,078 is proof of mastery. Not just mastery of the market, but mastery over yourself. This is what separates amateurs from professionals. Self-control, consistency, and faith in compounding. So when you make your next trade, remember, you're not trading for today. You're trading to become the trader you'll be in 3 years. $500 right arrow, $41,000 right arrow, $3,476,279 right arrow, $289,859,078. Each step is patience. Each step is discipline. Each step compounds into freedom, independence, and mastery. Stay focused, stay patient, stay disciplined. And let the quiet power of compounding do the rest.